Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix for common JetFormBuilder problem. When you use checkbox or select the field that pulls option from a jet engine glossary and set up a sent email action, and you notice that email shows the raw value or doesn't really display properly. So let me just for example here. So this is just JetFormBuilder. So on the right hand side is front end, and here's the back end here. All right, so I use Glossary, and I got this sent email action here. So let me just show it to you. The email content here. Now here, so how do you self-identify? So this is a self-identify. I'll show you quickly. If you go to block and select this. So this is from field name, right? Now, and then the email I receive is like that. So and you see, sorry, here. So how do you self-identify? So it's called array, okay? So it doesn't really show properly. And let's fix that, and I'll show you how to fix this, okay? So first you have to go to GitHub here, and you need this code. So you're gonna copy this, okay? Copy that, and you can use any snippet plugins. So I use code snippet here, and if you go to yeah, here you go, the snippets. And I already added here, get label by glossary. So let's just go edit. So you just gotta add a new one. So you just copy and paste the code here, and then save, and they make sure it's activated. Okay. And next, let's go back to JetFormBuilder, and then JetForm tab here, and then post the missed action. Okay, send email, and then so the email content. So you gotta put the right macro here. Okay, so usually, so don't put this. So this is just the field name. Okay, for this field. All right, so now I'll show you. So this is the right field name. So here, so you're gonna put your field name. So this is gonna be unique, okay? And you have to put those vertical bar and the get label by glossary. And then you have to put this 47 is the glossary ID number. And you have to close with the percentage sign here. Okay, so let me just show you. Let's go to just show you glossary here. Go to Jet Engine. Okay, right here. And what I'm using is here, self-identified data. So it's ID number is 47. So that's why you're gonna put 47 here. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy everything here. Okay, so let's go to here and then paste on that. Okay, and then hit update and then save it. All right, so let's try this. So I'm gonna pick a newcomer to Canada, Francophone, and then check this and then hit submit. Okay, now let's check out the email. All right, so here's the email. And as you see here, so newcomer to Canada and Francophone is displayed properly. Okay. All right, that's it. It's pretty straightforward once you know it. And a big thanks to the CrocBlock support team for pointing me in the right direction on this one. So if you found this helpful, give it a like and feel free to drop any questions in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.